what's up? Hola, hola, hola. We are trying out some Korean snacks today. We have bought, there's a newly opened Korean shops in town, and we bought some snacks and then we're gonna try them. We got the Taro Mochi. Mini churros sounds interesting, bro. Mini churros. I think I'm gonna like this one. What is it called? Zaldur. And this. I don't know what this is. Korean cracker biscuit. And of course, the kimchi ramen.
Yeah, like that.
Okay. So, what should we try first? Should we try the noodles first? Or should we do that last?
Do that last because it's still cooking.
So we have this real kimchi. We add this after 3 minutes. Oh, so it is actual kimchi. Actually has kimchi. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. See, I don't say oh my god. It's god. It's actually kimchi on this pack. Damn.
Should we try the soup first?
Go on then. Try the soup. Go and try it and I'll try it. We'll bring it with you because... Kimchi ramen. I like kimchi though. Is it sour?
A bit. Oh,
Is it spicy?
Oh, a bit.
Oh, it's nice. I like that. You don't like sour though, no?
Spicy.
Bebe, you. Yeah. Try the noodles. Ah, so I want to eat this now. I have another one there. It's £1 something. 99. Give me some. It's still hot. We can finish it later. We'll just try the noodles and then that's it.
It tastes like the kimchi that we get from Costco.
But spicy. It's
Yeah.
okay.
It's not spicy.
It has the spice on it because obviously Korean stuff.
Because Koreans are spicy.
Alright! We need some water so we can wash off the thingy. Comes on a cute packaging and that's cool. Alright, let's try it.
The movie.
Taro Mochi!
And then
the
the beginning.
packaging.
The commercial, yeah,
So
the
soft.
dumpling. It's very...
Mochi
Oh,
is
very
Luffy's
hot.
enemy in One Piece. If anyone can relate,
Right?
boy, One Piece.
Sushi.
Latest episode, Katakuri Mochi! So this is real life mochi right here. Alright, let's try it.
It's like a pancake now. Feel like... I thought it was gonna
Actually, it
be...
tastes like taro. I like it.
I like it. I like it.
You sure? Rate Taro 10. What's an 8?
8. 8. Oh, it's nice.
Like, it's nice texture, like soft and stuff. Taro Mochi. It's good. That. Gonna go? Spicy? This one's next. This one's next. This chicken is on the spicy noodle thingy packaging. Spicy noodle challenge ramen packaging.
This chicken.
This one is, it's Samyang, so this is spicy, man.
Say that again.
Samyang hot chicken flavor.
Zalduk.
Samyang.
Samyang haseyo.
Oh, you should have included yung fries.
Like little thingy. Like
It's
fish
like-
there.
It's not spicy.
Sweet.
It's not spicy.
It's nice.
I like it.
Mm-hmm.
Yo! This is nice. It's not spicy, it's sweet. This is
Nice.
good. £1.50 for that.
Rate out of 10?
10.
9.
8.
So we have 2 things left. Yeah, that one's $1.49 as well. Alright, let's do it. So they're like this. They're like churros, but minis.
Cheers. Sweet. Mmm. No, cinnamon sticks. Auntie Anne's.
Yeah, it tastes the same. The Auntie Anne's. On the ants, your rivals here.
I like it.
Churros.
10.
9. 9 as well.
Yeah, or 9.
Okay. I like Korean stuff, man.
Dip it in there.
It's really nice. See, we just randomly pick up stuff. Is the Mago Oranda Korean cracker biscuit Korean. Sound Italian, but I'm trying to be Korean. I think there's something similar in Philippines like this. This texture is like the popcorn. You know in Asta, that bread thingy. Crackers, the crackers thingy.
Oh, the one that we
They
used
like,
to
there's
get.
caramel, there's
Yeah.
toffee. I don't know what it's called. Guys, guess what? Our camera's battery's dead, so we're just gonna be using my phone to finish off the video. Just gonna...
No, not that way.
Oh, come on. Alright! Let's do it. Me biscuity. Not like a biscuit. Go and pick one. Loto.
It smells like salted,
Is it meant to be sweet or so? Right.
I don't know if I like this one.
It's meant to be sweet.
So hard.
Oh, it's like that one.
No,
the one
peanut
where
brittle.
Yeah, the one you buy in Baguio in Philippines.
But it's not peanut.
Peanut brittle. It's not
It's
peanut,
biscuits.
but so it's caramel basically.
It's hard.
So I would like to snack on while playing
nice.
PUBG Mobile. So rate. I'll give it a 8.
5.
8 because I like it.
A
Yeah.
5. It's too dry for me.
Okay, guys, that's it. We have tried all of this, and obviously now we're gonna try to finish all of them. So we have the ramen, the mochi. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Still going.